Good day, students. This is Amit Meena, founder of Panga IAS coaching classes. In today's video, I'd like to give some guidelines about the interview preparation. See, aspirants, listen one thing that as far as the interview test is concerned, you have to realize that it is a personality test. It is not the knowledge testing which is to be take place, because that has already been tested at the mains level. So some of the very important traits which you need to remember, some of the very important tips that you need to remember during interview exam is that first and foremost is that you have to be courteous during the interview. You need to be honest in the interview. You need to be truthful in the interview. You have to be very genuine in the interview. You should be very intelligent enough that how do we handle the difference of opinion. Suppose there is some particular question in which you have difference of opinion or difference of view in comparison to the panel who are sitting. The respected panel will definitely have some particular view about a given point, some international or national issues or something like that. You might have a different issue, but here is where the test of character lies, that how do you handle the difference of opinion. So that is a way you can definitely say you definitely respect the opinion of the panel, but that is according to your knowledge, this is what it can be, this is what it could not be, or this is what my understanding is. You can always put forward your view in a very respectful manner, and believe me, goodness is definitely detected by the expert panels who are sitting over there. They are well accustomed at how to judge a particular person or a candidate who is sitting in front of them. Now, to get around with this, I would like to tell one very important thing is that, see, when I say that you got to be genuine in the interview, what I really mean to say, your true personality is definitely going to be reflected over there. You cannot really hide your true personality by the varied types of questions and the cross-examination what you will be facing during the interview call. So I would rather say that you have to be genuine in the original life itself. In the original life, when you are genuine in the dealings with people, when you are truthful and honest with the people, when you are dealing with people and all around, if your personality is truthful and honest, believe me, that is going to get replicated, that is going to get reflected in the interview test itself, in the personality test, that's going to get reflected automatically. So you will not have to push harder, you will not have to manipulate your mind or thoughts or your behavior at all. You will not have to manipulate your thought, belief system, anything like that for the interview session of half an hour or 45 minutes. If you are genuinely a good person, believe me, which you should be, then definitely that's going to reflect automatically in the interview. So try and practice these traits what I've spoken. Try and practice that thing in your real life, which is very much required as a good human being, and that thing is automatically going to get reflected in the interview board when you are really facing the interview questions and things like that. Your true personality is going to come out. Added up to that would be certain amount of knowledge which will definitely be required for your personality test. See, remember, personality test is not for testing your knowledge. Knowledge has already been tested at the mains level. So here is what your personality, your character is going to be tested, and that is what you got to be really careful about. That is all the tip is all about. Do keep tuned up for a lot of motivational videos, a lot of guidelines will keep coming up on this platform about the entire UPSC IAS examination process, whether it is prelims, mains or interview. Thank you very much and stay tuned.